In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rotate terracotta patterns in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. The first thing to know is that this only works with glazed terracotta. Glazed terracotta has a directional pattern, which means the design changes based on the direction you are facing when you place the block. Regular terracotta and colored terracotta do not work this way. They look the same from every direction, so there is nothing to rotate on those blocks. To begin, place the glazed terracotta block you want to use into your hand so it is selected on your hotbar. Make sure you are using glazed terracotta, because that is the block type that supports rotating patterns through placement direction. Next, stand in the spot where you want to place the block, and decide which way you want the pattern to face. This is the most important part of the process. In Minecraft, the orientation of glazed terracotta is determined by the direction your character is facing at the moment you place it. Once you are facing the correct direction, place the glazed terracotta block. As soon as it is placed, the pattern will lock into the orientation based on your current facing direction. If the pattern looks correct, then you are done. If the pattern is not facing the way you want, break the block and place it again while facing a different direction. This is how you rotate glazed terracotta in survival or creative mode. There is no separate rotate button for the block itself. The rotation comes from your placement angle. Keep repeating this process as needed. Face a new direction, place the block, and check the pattern. If it still is not correct, break it again and try another direction. After a few placements, you will find the exact orientation that matches your build. This is especially useful when you are making floors, walls, or decorative designs where the pattern needs to line up in a specific way. Small changes in your facing direction can completely change the final look of the design, so take your time and place each block carefully. The key point to remember is simple. Glazed terracotta rotates when you place it based on the direction you are facing. Regular terracotta and colored terracotta do not rotate because they do not have directional patterns. That covers everything you need to know.